So we just walked from the D. Now we're gonna go check out Fremont Casino. Here we go. Fremont Hotel and Casino. It is about 10:30 in the morning, and we're going to walk clockwise. Here we go. I'll try to walk slow because I know that whenever I walk too fast, it gets jittery and shaky. You got your dragging links right away. Man, they got like rows of the same slot machines all over. Yeah. So what's interesting about this casino is that they have interblock games here, right? But they do not have double craps games. They just have the shoot to win made by a ruse. Yeah. Alright. Sorry if I am turning too much. Don't get motion sickness watching this video. Here are all the table games in the middle. This casino is kind of big. It's cashier area. Wow, craps tables crowded over here. Yeah. Well, let's walk through this area. Here we go. Here's one of the entrance from the other side of Fremont. Steel, Fortune Rooster. Let's walk over in the corner side. All these casino walkthroughs are going to have copyright music cut out. This must be the hotel check-in area over there. Yep. Game Kings. And over here they have a Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory, which is closed right now. What kind of food is this? Looks like it's Asian food. Oh, I heard this place has good oxtail soup. Might have to try it. Chinese food. So you all know, rumor is they have good oxtail soup here. Yeah. Here we go. Back over. Look at that craps table. It's freaking full. I don't want to walk over by the... Oh wait, they do have bubble craps here. I forgot. Oh, okay. There you go. Ah, bubble craps. Cool. Makes me want to just stop and play for a moment. I'm gonna stop and play for a second. I'll let you know how much I win. There you go. Put in $10. Pressed it up till I got that much. I'm good. Let's go cash this baby out. All right. There's a bar over here. That was a quick win. Whatever. A win is a win, right? Okay. Wow, this place is huge over here. Let's take a look. So yeah, I was wrong, everybody. They have both a ruse bubble craps and interblock bubble craps for all the people that like bubble craps. Yeah. Yeah. This power-up game, we first started getting into this game in Reno. You get a lot of bonus rounds in it, but the payout is not that great unless you have a high denomination. Yeah. Wow, look at the end of this casino has a food hall. Let's go cash out my winnings real quick. $10 or 57 is not bad. Thank you for joining me on doing all this. So on this trip, what we've been doing is we've been going to casino and playing, just jumping on the bubble craps machine, and whatever we have small wins, we just cash out and walk away. But I know if we sit there and keep playing, we're gonna lose. That's how it always happens. So small wins, every casino we go to, it's good. Wow. Check out these ones. What is this? Roller wheel. I haven't seen this one yet. Anybody play this yet? Roller wheel. It's based off the Hazy Money. Yeah. Here's your food court. Dunkin' Donuts, steak and shake, tomo noodles, chicken tenders, rolly roti. There you go. What's with the glasses? Hey, that's a real poker player right there. Oh, sportsbook area. The bar right there. Yeah, it's nice. Well, I was trying to walk away from security. I don't know why some casinos they allow recording, other ones they don't. Other ones they let you record your own game, but I know it's a security thing for other people that are playing, but yeah. Just so security guard walked up to that guy and said he is not allowing him to sit at the machine and do nothing unless he goes buy a coffee or a donut. They're strict, man. Security's strict. Well, I guess because they got a lot of, I wouldn't say homeless, but a lot of people that are just roaming the streets out here, just, you know, having fun doing their thing. Yeah. We got a bar right here. This is the bar that I passed by right when I walked in. I'm gonna pan real quick so you can see the games right around this area. They got a lot of these crazy money games. I like those games. Alright. Well, that's it, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. That was Fremont Casino. And it is a Void Rewards Players Card. Thank you for tuning in. On to the next casino. And maybe jump on another bubble craft machine. Alright guys. Please like and subscribe. It helps. Helps me make these videos. I think I'm up to, with this one, I think we're up to 129 casino walkthroughs. Just try to get it to 200. We'll go over to Atlantic City, Miami, Chicago, get it all. Thanks guys.